Open the Bztex Global App and click on Assets. Click on Deposit. Select any one of the preferred chain name. Click on Copy Address. Head back to the home screen and click on OTCpay. Select the paying currency and select the coin purchase type. Enter the amount of money you want to purchase. 100 USDT minimum. Both the amounts USD and USDT should be above $100. After entering the amount, click on Buy. Enter your details: email, full name, region code, telephone number. Select and enter capital source, memo, coin type, and paste the copied coin chain deposit address. Tick the user agreement and privacy policy options. Please verify the order details very carefully. Scrolling down, you will see payment account details for transferring the entered purchasing amount. Upload the following documents to proceed: transfer receipt, ID card or passport, backside of your ID card. After uploading the documents, click on Already Paid. After that, your payment transfer request will be submitted and you can click on Confirm.